Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Similarity Worksheets. So this video presents a few worksheets on the topic of similarity. We've had a lesson on this very topic, so if you're not sure how to proceed, if you go to the last slide, there is a link. Just click on that link and it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all these examples. I'll leave this slide on for about a minute or so before I move on to the next slide, but you can pause it for as long as you like. I'll move on to the next slide now, and here it is. Again, I'll leave it on for about a minute or so, but you can pause it for as long as you like. I'll move on to the next slide now, and you can click on the link if you need any help.